I wish they visualize this because I'm much more of a visual person, but I guess I could visualize it on paper if I had paper and a pen. The apple trees are arranged in a row and they are numbered from 1 to n. Okay. 1 to n. Alice is planning to collect all the apples from K consecutive trees, and Bob's planning to. They want to choose two disjoint segments, one consisting of K trees for Alice and one consisting of L trees for Bob. I mean, to be honest, just the question. To be completely honest, it says what is the maximum number of apples that they can collect? N is the answer. Whatever n is the answer, is the maximum number that they can collect. Because, like, for example, let's say the n was equal to 10, right? L could equal 5, K could equal 5, or L could equal 2, K could equal 8, or L could equal 6, K could equal 4. So the maximum number is just n, right? So basically all you have to do is just find the value of n, no? Ronnie. Yo, Ronald. Where the fuck did Ronald go? Who? Him? Oh, I didn't hear him say that. Are you sure he said that? Oh. Where the function that given an array consists of n. Hold on, let me read this first, Summer. God damn, dude, the loading this shit is so much faster than fucking PlayStation 4. It's crazy. Unbelievable. Where the function that given an array A consisting of n integers. Oh. On each apple tree in a row. This is a typo in this question, but it's okay. I think. Oh. Yeah, I heard that too. Hold on.
Hello.
Yo, okay, hold on. I'm still reading. I'm still reading this question, dog. For example, given A equals 6, 1, 4, 6, 3, 2, 7, 4, K equals 3, L equals 2, your function should return 24. Because Alice can choose trees 3 to 5. How does Alice choose from 3 to 5?
What do you mean? Just talking about indexes 3 to 5.
Yeah, I get that, but as long as it doesn't matter which trees, as long as it's 3 trees for Alice, right?
No, consecutive.
Yeah, 3 consecutive trees for Alice. So it could be 614. It could be 614. In theory. Yeah, it's holiday sale, dog. That is pretty cheap for
I just go to the outlets here, bro.
Yo, bro, you guys trying to go out? You guys are trying to go to the outlets during Black Friday? That's a bad idea.
Well, I mean, Niagara County's open.
Bro, yeah, that whole area, that whole county is red zoned.
Erie County is, but Niagara County is good, but just right next to it, so. people
But
from
Niagara
Erie
Falls
can
isn't
go there.
Niagara Outlets isn't. I don't think it's in Niagara County, isn't it? It's still in Erie
Yeah,
County.
No, it's
I thought it was still in Erie County.
Dude, it's like 2 minutes away from the falls.
I don't know, man. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Let's collect that. So given A is equal to 10, 19, 5, K equals 2, L equals 2.
Yeah.
You can't
And
do that,
remember,
right?
You won't be.
So you can't. Can you do that? Given A equals 10, 19, 5 because it's 15.
Well, hold on, I'm gonna
That
do
wouldn't
that.
work. So it's saying in the second the second
I
last
can't- I'm not looking at
paragraph.
the question.
All right. So go to the question.
I'm in a game.
All right, basically what it's saying is the array that they're giving you, A, is equal to 10, 19, and 15. But K equals 2 and L equals 2. You can't do that because it wouldn't be disjoint. Yeah, because it's not possible for Alice and Bob to choose two disjoint intervals. Okay, yeah, there we go. Assume that n is an integer within the range 2 to 600. God damn, okay. K and L integers within the range 1, n minus 1. Oh, this is in Java. So in arrays, Java's in Java arrays start at 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, there's arrays in JavaScript too, bro.
Yeah, but they don't start at 1. They start at 0.
Oh no! They start at 0. Sorry, what do you mean by 1?
That's what it says here. It says K and L are integers within the range 1 to n minus 1.
Well, it's because remember, K is the number of trees. You can't have 0 trees, and the calculation is not an array.
No. But K is the number of trees. The number is the index. K is the index. So the array of K is the index of the trees. It's not the value of trees. So
No, it's the number of trees that Alice wants, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
so if Alice wants one tree-
yeah. You're right. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You're right. Makes sense. Each element of array A is an integer within 1 in 500. Yeah, bro. I don't even know how the fuck to even start doing that. Because how the hell would you know? Oh no, because A is the number of apples on each tree. Right. So then how would you find out? So first you need to find out, okay, so they give you the number of apples on each tree, right? So to find the length of, if you find the length of that array, that gives you the amount of trees that there are, right? So if you find, do they give you the values of, they don't give you the value of K and L, right?
Yes, they do.
They do? Okay.
Yeah.
So if they give you the value of K and L, you can find out the number of trees. You can find out n easily just by getting the length of the array of A. That gives you how many trees there are. So as long as you find, if they give you the value of K and L, all you have to do is, what you would have to do is,
I'm
just
like
do-
me watching you run, and you're just running off a cliff right now. It's funny.
am I actually?
No, I mean like you're going there, but I know for a fact that you don't know the algorithm to solve this yet.
No, yeah, no, I definitely don't. I'm just kind of like
It's funny.
brainstorming.
Yeah, you're trying to understand the question. This is funny. Yeah.
Like
I'm just
I
like,
understand.
yeah.
I understand
If
the
you-
question.
If you somehow come with this, bro, I will call you a god, bro.
But like
I
I
will
understand
let
the question. I don't know how I would come up with the answer, and I'm just kind of grasping at straws here. So okay, but you got K and L, right? K and L are the number of trees that you want to get for each person, and you got the array of A, which is the number of each index, each value at each index of that array is the number of apples in each tree of that n array, right? So if you can get the length of that array, you got the value of n, right? So at that point, if you have the value of n, you know how many trees are in the array. So then what you can do is basically how the fuck would you know what's the maximum number though? Fuck. Dude, I have no idea. How you would get the maximum
Okay,
number?
bro. It's a tough question. It's a tough question, bro.
If you get, how would you get the
This
maximum?
is
Number? That's the
this
question,
is
right?
a
What's the
question
maximum number?
Asked. This question was asked. This is a Microsoft interview question, by the way.
That's just crazy. This is they're asking for the maximum number of apples. Yeah. What is the maximum number of apples they can collect?
All I'm gonna say is I tried looking up solutions for this. I couldn't understand the solutions. I gave up. I was like, I'm gonna do this shit from scratch.
All right, hold on.
The solutions are there, but the solutions are like just they fuck your brain up because you have no idea what they're doing, and they're in different languages too. So
Nothing in Java.
I saw something in Java. I just couldn't understand it in the time frame, so I had to restart because I was not gonna sit there fucking trying to learn somebody else's code.
Yeah, just trying to understand somebody else's code. Fucking have to fucking reverse engineer that
work.
shit.
You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. It may not work. And if you
Yeah,
run,
that's it
if
too.
you try to test that, if you try to test the algorithm in the IDE, they'll catch you for cheating. So
So all right,
do
so
that.
let me think. What's the maximum number? How the fuck would you do that?
I'll give you a hint.
Wait, so can you? Okay, so you need to find to get. I think. Does it involve? Tell me if this is a step in the right direction. Getting the number of apples, the maximum number of apples, or all the number of apples in that array. Is that even? Is that important? I would think it is, right?
Yeah, you
Okay.
have to work in that way.
So you grab the number of all the apples in that entire row. How do I get the maximum number? Fuck, dude, I have no idea. Fuck. So essentially what the question is asking, which combination of numbers would equal the maximum amount without overlapping? The highest number without overlapping. Fuck, dude, I have no idea. And you can't rearrange the order, because then that would fuck up the whole question.
Yo, I was on mute. How long have I been on mute for?
Oh, when were you on mute? When did you mute yourself?
Did you just hear what I've been saying for the last minute?
No.
Prefix sum.
Prefix what?
Prefix sum.
Prefix what? The items in the array given A?
Prefix sum. Prefix
I don't.
sum.
What the?
Think about what.
Oh,
think about what a
prefix
prefix is.
sum. Prefix sum. What is a prefix sum? I don't know what that is.
Think about it. Think about what a prefix sum is.
I don't
You have
know.
to manipulate the prefix sum to.
I don't know what prefix sum is.
Oh, I'm a god.
I don't know what prefix sum is. I don't know what that is. Prefix and sum doesn't. Those are
What
two
is a-
words
what
that
is a
just doesn't make
prefix?
sense to me.
What is a
The
prefix?
very first. The very first. No.
Very first what?
Item in the array. I would guess.
That's the first element. It's not really a prefix. So you're saying that if I had like a string and the prefix was SRE, is that really the first element? It's what you determine
Okay,
to
so
be
it
a
would be
prefix, so
SRE.
that's the
So
first
if we're
couple
saying
elements.
prefix, okay. So if you're saying prefix, so it'd be like on any given number or any given value or element in the array. Let's say PRE was the prefix. It'd be PRE1, PRE2, PRE3. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, but you have to add.
Okay.
You have to add the other prefixes to that. So like value 2, it's like position 2 would be 1 and 2 added together. Position 3 would be 1, 2, and 3 added together.
Oh, so it's like oh fuck, I know what data structure that is. Ah, fuck, what is that? Oh my god, I forgot the name of that one. Oh my goodness. Fuck, what's the name of that one? It's like basically like a
There's
running
no data
total.
structure for that.
No, I thought there was.
Data structure at all.
I thought there
know.
was
Data
one. It's
structure
like
is
it's sort of like
organizing data.
a yeah. Well, I guess it's not really organizing data.
There might
There's
be-
something for that, or not that not data
Library.
structure, but there's something in JavaScript that does that. I forgot what the fuck it is.
Yeah, there could probably be an API, but let's say you can't use an API. You have to do this shit manually. That's what they'll probably say. Then that's what they might say.
It's an
Let's say
API
for
though.
practice. Like you can't use APIs. Like whatever, if there was like a library.
No.
that
It's
allows you
built
that
in. Like
function.
it's a part of JavaScript ES6. Like the latest syntax of JavaScript. It's a part of that you can do that. There's just a,
Oh,
it's just like a command. It's just like a function you can call.
okay. I mean, regardless, getting the prefix is pretty fucking easy.
Okay.
So okay, you can do it. Okay, you can do it. All right, whatever.
Um.
But since you don't know the function name, how would you do it then? Because you don't know it. Clearly, you said you don't.
Yeah,
know it.
I don't
So
remember.
how
Yeah, I
would you
don't
do it
remember
then?
what it is. I have no fucking
So
clue.
how would you do it then?
I don't know. Even if you get the
Pretty
prefix,
easy.
I don't.
You're overthinking it. You're overthinking it. You're overthinking.
Am I
how to get
overthinking
the
it?
prefix. You're way overthinking it. It's super easy.
Just
One
add them all
forward.
together. Just get the sum.
How does that get you the prefix?
Isn't that what you were saying? The prefix is?
The prefix is no. I said you take position 1 would be the value of 1. Position 2 would be would be value 1. Like position 2 would be position 1 and 2 added together. Position 3 would be 1, 2, and 3 added together.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You just get the sum
That's
of.
not the sum. That's not what we're doing. I'm saying position 3 is going to store the sum of 1, 2, and 3. And position
But that's
4
the
is going
sum.
to
That's the sum.
that's the sum up until it's not the total sum of the array.
So
That's
what you?
you're saying.
Oh, okay. So what you're saying is prefix is. Okay, I think I get what you're saying. So what you're saying is prefix is just to keep it simple. Prefix is essentially like to again, like I said, to just keep it simple. It's like another array, and the first position in that array is the sum of is the value of the first index in the original array. The second value in that second array is the sum of the value at the first index and the value of the second index. Correct? Is that what you're saying? So, like for example,
Yeah,
let's
that's what I
say array 1 is 1, 2, 3. Array 2 would be 1, 3, 6.
Array 2?
Yeah, the prefix array.
What do you mean by array 2?
The prefix.
What do you mean by array 2?
I mean the prefix sum. That's what I'm saying. Just to, I don't know.
What do you mean by array at 2? I'm sorry, I just don't understand what you mean by that.
Okay, let's say
Do you mean the position 2, or do you mean a brand new array?
a brand new array. Just to keep it simple, like so that I can understand this. What you're saying is prefix. Let's just say the prefix array. Let's just replace that word prefix for array for now. Okay, if that makes sense. Prefix position the prefix value of the first index of the second array, which is the prefix sum, whatever. They would be equivalent to the value at the very first index of the original array. So like if array 1 is 1, 2, 3, prefix sum at the first index would be 1, prefix sum at the second index would be 3, prefix sum at the third index would be 6. Right? Is that what am I understanding that correctly?
Oh, honestly, I wasn't even paying attention. Sorry, I'm in a game.
Wow, fuck you, dog.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro. My hat is killing me right now.
Nah, fuck you,
Dude, the
dog.
prefix sum, dude, I told you, prefix sum, bro. Let's say you have an array of position. Okay, so array sequentially, position by position. Let's say it's 5, 2, 1.
Okay.
The prefix, you store that prefix. You create a brand new array, and within that array.
That's what I was just saying, bro. That's
I'm
literally
not
word for
paying
word what the fuck I was just saying.
Well, I'm not paying attention to what you were saying. because
Yeah, no
you said that.
shit.
Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you. So you create one array. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that one array is gonna be the prefix sum because you don't want to change the original array.
Right.
Okay, in this
Right.
scenario, you don't want to change
Right.
it for this scenario.
Right.
Normally, you have to analyze what the question is, and if it's not like a question like this where you have two different parameters, you would just keep it in one array to save on space. Okay, remember that. But just for this
Wait,
question
say
alone,
that last statement. Say that last statement.
the prefix can be done in all of one space complexity in the original array. But for this question, since you have Alice and Bob, there's two. You need to do the prefix for two people. You need to run the algorithm twice, so you need to store the prefix. You need to keep the original prefix, the original array, so you don't manipulate that. So you need to create a new array for this scenario. So position 0 is going to be equal to whatever position 0 is, but position 1 is going to be position 0 added with 1.
That's literally
Position two-
exactly what the fuck I was saying.
Okay,
so I understand. All right,
it's
so I
simple,
understand
it's
that.
simple,
Okay.
okay.
All right, so I understand that. All right. Good. I understand that correctly. So, okay, so you have to run that twice? Why would you have to run that twice though?
You tell me why. I'm not gonna tell you. You tell me why.
That doesn't make sense. Oh, fuck, my battery is dying. It doesn't make sense
me,
that you'd
bro.
have to run that twice.
You tell me, bro.
Hold up. Like, okay, yeah, I get that there's two that you have to do it for, like K and L, Alice and Bob. But why would you have to run it twice? Why not just get the? Well, I guess
Because they're not
I guess if you
overlapping, remember.
yeah, I know they're not overlapping, but I still don't see. Hold on. Let's see. If you were to do it once.
Okay, let's put it like this. Okay, so if you ran the prefix in one direction from front to end.
Oh, I didn't
Well,
think
the
about running.
values-
Oh, actually, no, I was thinking about running in reverse from the opposite direction. So from the end of the array to the beginning. So what you could do, if you're doing it like that, you could essentially run it until the point where the last index in those two prefix sums overlap, right? So like if let's say it's the prefix sum for array 1 for Alice is 1 3 7 16 25, and then that's going from the beginning to the end. Prefix sum for Bob is going from the end to the beginning, 1 3 17. If you can get that overlap, you can then use that to kind of calculate where their segments would go on that original array?
So you're just saying you're just looking for them not overlapping. So you're going to run one algorithm front, one other algorithm backwards, right?
Yeah, one
And then
goes
just
forward,
go
one goes
forward
backwards, and
and
then as soon as they overlap, that's
Yeah.
where they can no longer. That's where they can't. That's exactly where they have to stop.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
I was thinking that before you said it. I just didn't think it was right. Just saying.
Okay. Now there's another step to this.
Okay.
Figure it out. I pretty much. There's
another step. Figure it out. There's another step. Figure it out.
Figure it out, bro. You got this one. I'm gonna give you no hints. I pretty much gave you the whole algorithm to figure. You figured.
Nah,
this
fuck you.
last part
You didn't give me the
Think
whole.
about it.
You gave me hints to the algorithm, but I had it in the back of my
What?
mind. I just wasn't
told you-
confident enough.
I told you prefix. Okay. So
Nah,
the
you did tell me
algorithm
prefix.
is
You did tell me prefix. I'll give you that.
prefix. I told you what the prefix was. Okay. The only thing. You
No,
got
yeah,
was
that's
that,
true,
Okay,
that's true,
they're not
too.
overlapping. So that's the whole algorithm basically. But now there's
Okay,
one
so
final
if they're
piece to it.
overlapping,
I think you can get it.
there's one final piece. Figure it out, you piece of shit. All right. So then, so you got the overlapping piece. As soon as they overlap, then you just find out. You just add the difference
Actually, there's two
between.
parts. There's two
So you
parts.
would add, you would get the difference between the overlap, right? So like let's say the overlap was for array prefix sum array 1 is 17. That's the final value in that array. Final value in the second array for the prefix sum would be let's say 18. You find the difference between those two, it'd be 1. So then what you would do is you just basically do 17 plus 16 or 16 plus 17 for each of those arrays, no? You basically take the difference between the last values of both arrays and then subtract it from either one of those arrays and then add the two final values and then there's your final result.
Wait, repeat that again? I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding this.
So like let's say the final value, let's say the index, the value of the final index at prefix sum array 1 is 20, right? And then the final value of the index or the value of the at the index final index of array 2 is 15, right? That's the last value at that prefix sum index or prefix sum array. You take the difference between those two, wherever it is that they overlap, you take the difference between that overlap and subtract it from one of the arrays, the final values in one of those arrays, and then those two values, those new values, so let's say the overlap was 5, right? You take the difference of those two values and then add them together, the final values of the two arrays, and then you got your final answer.
I'm confused as shit, bro. I'm sorry.
Fuck. I mean, I'm a little sauce, so I'm having difficulty explaining. But I think I got the right answer. So like, okay, let me like give you the values. I guess maybe this will make more sense. So let's say prefix sum array 1 is 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, right? Next one is 1, 2, 3, 17 or some shit, right? So the overlap is on 17 and 20, right? Or no, 17 and 15. So, wait, no, hold on. I just confused myself. What the fuck?
Bro, I'm confused as shit.
You know what? Just tell me the goddamn answer, bro. Tell me the answer, goddammit.
Bro, you have to run the algorithm twice. You have to run it once you have to run it with Alice being running. Okay, so you have to run it forwards and backwards. You're going to pass that prefix into a helper function, and then the helper function is going to run the front algorithm for Alice, and then the backwards prefix for Bob. And then what you have to do is you have to rerun the algorithm for Alice. Alice is going to be the backwards. He's going to use the backwards prefix, and then Bob is going to be the forward prefix. So there's going to be two different. So you have to run the algorithm for each person for the front and the back, and then from that you have to determine which one has the highest value. Which you know, because like you have to think about it. The prefix goes in one increasing direction, but remember it can also go from the backwards towards the front. Right. And then also during that, okay. So the really hard part, the real challenge of this problem is when you're calculating the prefix sum, you have to take into account when you're looping through the prefix sum array of the sizes of the trees. So you have to be able to take the prefix sum. So like, okay, so you do have the prefix sum. Okay, good. But you have to calculate, you know, from like, okay, so let's say, you know, k is equal to 2, and I need to be able to figure out what the sum is from position 0 to position 1. And then I have to figure out what the position is from 1 to 2. But then if it's 3, then you have to come up with an algorithm that can calculate the prefix sum of what position from position 0 to position 2. So you have to write a for loop which can handle that condition, which is the most difficult.
But why would you need to do that if it's only looking for 2 for Alice?
Well, what do you mean? But if Bob's 3, it's not always going to be 2 and 3. It can be. It doesn't. That's just.
No, yeah. But I'm saying using. So you okay? I got confused there because I thought you were still going off the example 2 and
like
2.
The prefix sum. So the whole logic behind the prefix sum is, if I take if I wanted the range from 1 to 3 in a consecutive order, I can run a mathematical equation on the array to figure out what the sum is from 1 to 3 by using the whole prefix array. So what I could do is I can take from 0 to 4, and then I can subtract that total value from 0 to 1, and that will give me from 1 to 4. So you can run a mathematical equation.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I mean, I don't know, bro. Like you were saying it. I don't know what you were. Honestly, I couldn't understand.
That's what I was saying. Okay, that's what I was saying.
You could have been thinking it, but I honestly it wasn't coming out fluent. But
okay, yeah. That's what I meant. That's what I meant.
Okay, but yeah, so all right, yeah, you get that, but you know, think about that. Now you have to write all this shit in code, which is fucking.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't know how to write that. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah. So, and you know, coming up with the solution, oof, that was brutal too.
Oh hell yeah, that was hell yeah. Yo, Umar, are you watching? I'm actually playing now. Oh, let me actually play some música. That just sobered you up? Can you hear the music in the stream?
But yeah. Sad thing is, bro,
Okay.
These are one of the thousands of questions that can be asked, bro.
Yeah, bro. I definitely need to practice, bro, for sure.
Dude,
I mean, like I said, I haven't been
and I'm not good at it still.
Bro, you're already doing hard questions, so
It's not hard.
I don't know
This is
about
like
you.
A light medium question. Oh,
The
actually,
one
it's
you
not-
just
it's actually
gave me?
pretty-
The one you just gave
That's
me?
not hard. That's not hard. That's not hard. That's medium.
What?
Yeah, that's dude. Hard is okay. So this requires like, this is like two. Okay, so the way to think about easy algorithm question is it uses one algorithm to solve it. Medium questions will use two. Hard questions will use 3 to 4 algorithms to solve the one question.
Jesus Christ. You had to use an algorithm
So-
within the algorithm, within an algorithm,
Yeah,
within
you have,
another
to, you have to
algorithm.
take an algorithm to tweak another. Yeah, see, that's pretty much what's gonna happen.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
And that's why. Well, that's why engineers like go and shit they ask us so they can get the the smartest people in the country to come work there. There's a reason why they get asked that. Like, I'm not gonna be at that level. I don't
That's
wanna
so
be at that level.
complex.
You need to be very good at math. You need to be an expert at it. On top of that,
I'm
even
terrible
with
at
that, you also
math.
need
That's
to
the
have
thing.
good
I'm so
skills.
bad at math. I'm not bad at math. I just don't like math.
It's all right. But yeah, this was more of a math question, understanding, if I did this calculation, how would it affect, how can I take advantage of using this mathematical formula? It's all math at the end of the day, this question.
Yeah, I don't like math. I don't like math. This is why I like front end development more, because it's not. Yes, there is obviously a lot of programming when it comes to like JavaScript and everything like that, but it's not as like mathematical or logical as like back end programming like that. You know what I mean? It's more like creative work, which I enjoy a lot more.
But the sad thing is, probably if you want to get a front-end job at a good company, they're going to ask you these questions anyway.
Oh yeah, 100%, 100%, 100%.
So regardless, sadly,
Yeah, because a lot of,
standardized,
especially
which is bad.
especially nowadays, because a lot of back-end developer or front-end developers do some back-end work again because of the fact that Node.js is so popular. Node.js is like ridiculously popular, and that's what allows you. That again, like I know we talked about this before, but like I don't know if you remember, but Node.js is basically what the fuck? Yo, Omar, you saw that shit? Bro, I just got hoed, bro. I just got hoed. Oh my god, bro. That shit hold the fuck out of me, bro.
I mean, yeah.
What is fuck? But yeah, like a lot of front end developers really are doing some back end like front end development nowadays is closer to ay coño. Is closer to like back end or sorry, not back end, like full stack development.
Yeah,
It's still not fully fledged full stack, but it's closer to full stack than oh shit, I'm dead again. Oh, I'm not dead. Holy fuck. It's closer to full stack than it ever has been.
Yeah, I mean, that's what does Node.js build? A web application?
Huh?
What does
What'd you say?
Node.js build?
What do you mean? What does it build?
What do you build with Node.js? Like you said, you could do backend, but like, what do you build? Like web applications, mobile applications?
Yeah, you can do anything. Mobile, web,
Okay,
anything.
well, like, yeah, because like even Spring and Struts and Java, you can do front end and back end all in one centralized location.
yeah.
So like, it's
You can do front end with Java? How do you do front end with Java? Oh, like for an
JSP
actual
database.
application, but not for web applications.
Well, the thing about no, because like the whole Spring frameworks, it utilizes like front end stuff too. So like you can use Bootstrap, you can use JSP, you put JavaScript all within the same code. And that's the whole
but
thing,
it's
like, backend
but it's
developers,
not like actual. But you still need
it's
JavaScript
HTML,
for it.
CSS. You can use whatever you want. You can use
my
HTML,
God,
Java,
bro.
CSS. So it's pretty much it's normal now that developers can do both. So that's why you'll see a lot of positions are tailored towards front end stuff, or sorry, front end and back end. So like when you go for like a Java position or .NET position, you'll see them. They're like, oh, you also need to know JavaScript or Angular in order to get this position. Pretty normal now. It's not.
Bro,
just back end.
Angular is
I
like.
rarely,
Oh my
I
god,
rarely
man! What
see-
the fuck?
I rarely see pure back end or pure front end positions at my company.
Yeah, pretty much everything is like almost full stack nowadays.
Yeah, I mean, which is which is good because you don't want, if one person has knowledge of front end and back end, that's way better to build a more concise application instead of having people just build their own fucking products. Because at the end of the day, the data that comes from the back end, if the person who's doing the front end knows what's coming properly, they'll be able to, do whatever they need to do. Concisely.
Yeah.
Oh, the full stack. It's good. It's good knowledge to have.
Ay.
But yeah, man, it's fucking hard as shit. I've been fucking studying for a year and a half non-stop and I still don't know anything.
Yeah, bro, this shit is a lot, bro. It really is a lot.
Oh well.
Oh, this nigga just bitch slapped the fuck out. Oh, fuck. You saw that shit? He bitch slapped the fuck out of me, bro. Oh, oh! Look at, he's rubbing his fucking belly and shit. Yeah, fuck you, nigga. Take that shit, boy. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down, boy. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. But yeah, I really gotta practice a lot more with data structures and algorithms. I just want to finish this project that I'm working on first because I want to get that done and like send it to her as fast as I can. Because she's already left. But yo, fuck you, bro. You ever say that name again, I'm gonna mute you. But no, yeah, I want to work on this project first and just get that done and like send it to her. But
What project? Oh, for your job?
What? No, I'm making a thing for Anya.
Oh,
Making a ting ting ting. Yeah, and it would be really good for my resume too, for my portfolio.
Yeah.
But as soon as I get that done, I want to switch back to like data structures and algorithms, learning more about that because that's what I need the most work on. I think.
Yeah, and it's only one step in the process, bro. It's the most difficult, but it's just the one.
Yeah, but as soon as you, that's the thing. Like that's the foundation. If you can get that, you'll be good in any language. As long as you can understand that, you can be good in any language.
I'd say no, because
How?
it's not algorithms and data structures. It just enhances your problem solving abilities. But
Yeah, exactly. That's the foundation of all programming, dude.
It helps you become a better programmer, but when you're working in an industry, you're following design patterns, which isn't. Algorithms and data structures, which is
yeah. But like, if you don't understand the data structures and algorithms, you can't follow any of the design patterns. It's like
no, design patterns has nothing to do with algorithms.
What do you mean? How does
like
that not have
design
nothing to do?
patterns are like industry level applications. There's there's like problems that these design patterns are resolving, which is pretty much common between all big applications. So that does not fall under data structures and algorithms. Yeah, you're going to use data structures and algorithms to write code, but you have to write design, which is the most important part. Because anybody could write code.
Well, I mean,
you could write data
yeah, I
structures and
guess because
algorithms,
design patterns. That's more high level. That's high level.
Well, that's the most important aspect because when it comes to building an application, you need to build a healthy ecosystem. And if you're just doing algorithms and data structures, you can build something like small and keep building and building and building it. Once it gets to a big scale, it becomes really difficult to manage. you see a lot of issues, and this is where design patterns comes in. This is what industry people want. So like, yeah, you'll get through the algorithms and data structures, and then that's why like you'll have meetings with engineers. They want to hear like that you know all this stuff and you can write good code. Because if you're
Yeah.
writing bad code, it's gonna make their life a living hell because now they're gonna have to clean up after you.
Yeah.
Especially if
Yeah.
you're like a new person, bro. Dude, trust me being a new person, bro, I don't want to work with new people, man. I'll be completely real, bro. I would be terrified, bro. Because, like, yeah, like, they have a degree and they're learning and shit, bro. But, dude, there's so many mistakes that they're going to make, bro. It's fucking crazy. Just because they
Yeah.
don't know any of these design patterns. Like I'm saying, for you, it's good, but like, that's why you'll see entry level positions. But you'll see when you meet with engineers and stuff, dude, they're gonna fucking just be like, fuck. I'm telling you, like as an engineer, like, because
They're
you're
gonna be
gonna be
like,
working
yo,
with people
fuck
like
this
me
guy,
with my
man.
mindset. You're gonna be working with people like me. Like they're gonna be the ones that decide
Uh,
if you're gonna be working with them or not. So
yeah, that's why you gotta charm the fuck out of them
yeah, you gotta bullshit them. Be like, yeah, I know this and that. Like, oh, I know this
and
and that.
make
Don't
sure
be
that
like, oh,
they
I don't
like
know
you as
this.
a person.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, charming is my
Don't
specialty.
go in
That's all I gotta
there.
do.
Just don't go in there and be like, oh, like I want to try this and that. I want to do this. I don't have experience in this. I'm trying to learn. Like, I mean, yeah.
I mean, I think it really
That's
depends
why. That's
on.
why. That's why work experience is huge. Because especially for me, like I definitely seen like all the strategies in use from tackling big projects and stuff, which I actually got on the job, and like I got to see like end to end how things are done. But you're not gonna learn any of that unless you're in a job. So
Uh,
fucking shitty, bro.
it's a tough industry, dog. It's a tough industry. Very competitive.
It's the fucking stigma saying it's easy to get into. That shit ain't easy, bro.
Who the fuck says that,
Everybody, bro. When I went through college,
bro?
that's what fucked
Fuck
me
that.
over in
That's
college,
not
bro.
true, bro. That is not true.
When I went through college, everyone was like, "Yeah, I'm studying computer science." Like, oh, you want to
It
go into
used
jobs
to
in
be
IT? Let's
easy.
go.
It used to be because nobody learned anything and technology wasn't where it is today. But now, bruh, nah, nah, definitely not.
Developers getting more and more responsibilities. Now developers doing operations. You can never do that.
Bruh, are you? Are you fucking?
And plus, it's funny to me when I'm working with like 30, 35-year-olds that are like level ones. I'm just like, damn, bro. Like, dude, I'm only fucking. I
Are
remember
you
I was 23,
fucking
like,
kidding, man? I died. Oh my
dude, when I was
god,
23, my coworker I just started with was fucking 35, bro.
that's crazy. Yo, shut the fuck up, Omar. I wasn't talking to you. I'm about to stop my broadcast. What are you talking about? Oh yeah, I know. It's crazy. Oh shit! Oh, I forgot. I forgot. I don't have my sword. It's right here. Oh my god! I forgot. I. Yo, what the fuck? I died. I died. I suck dick. I suck dick. Cause I fucking bro, I accidentally took out my wand instead of the fucking sword. Like a dumbass. Oh, you mean this? That? Yo, what the fuck? Ow. Spider. Oh yeah, yeah, the spider. Yeah, bro. Oi!
So I'm fucking niggas up in Rocket League. Good God.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh. Talking about the indie dude, David, you were talking about?
Who?
That Indian basketball player you're talking about?
I wasn't talking about no Indian basketball player.
Oh, that was...
He was. I don't even know
My bad, I
basketball,
forgot.
dog. Woo! That was close. Yeah, that was very close. Bro, this is honestly one thing I really don't like about this game. Getting to the fucking the bosses, dude, it takes mad long, bro. This shit takes mad long, man. Can I go over there? That looks like somewhere I can go. Maybe I'm playing music. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. No. You fucking kidding me? Nah, he's just really those are just really slow enemies. Dude, getting to the boss in this area takes so fucking long. Like it takes a solid 5 minutes after you die to get to the fucking boss. Cause it takes mad long to kill it. Watch, you'll see. I'm gonna fight another one. This shit takes mad long, bro. Look at this shit, bro. I have to keep doing this shit to get to the boss area. Yeah, man, this shit takes mad long. I don't like this area. Well, he can't even come out. Like, watch. What the fuck? Bro, watch. Just watch. See, he gets stuck here. You can. That's what I'm saying. I think I'm underpowered for this area. Even then, bro. Oh wow, it killed me. Yeah, I think I'm underpowered for this area. Let me go to another area because I don't think I'm ready for this area yet. I beat the first boss in this area though. Alright, let me go.
Damn, we fucking lost. Fuck! What time is it? 1:12. Oh man, so early.
Yeah. Gonna make myself another drink.
Yeah, I'm having this White Claw.
Bareback.
What the fuck's about? Bears looking fine. Should I slide? Mm. What's open is Wawa's 24/7. I like. Yo, those fucking rice bowls are fire. Um, I got when I was there, I was getting the chicken and rice with that sauce. I think so. Whatever that special. Yeah, it probably is. That was good. Hell yeah, boy. Dude, I can't believe this shit's fucked up. Fucking Surface charger doesn't work anymore. Like on the laptop, it's fucked up. It's the port. Dude, I just bought this laptop a month and a half ago for $2,000. It's a magnet. It's a magnet. It's a magnet that attaches to it. So like let's say if you tug on the wire, it comes out by itself automatically. It's like very loose. Just in case, like if you like, let's say you get up and the wire's tangled on your legs, the laptop doesn't fall off. It just comes right off the charger. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy probably next week and bitch, be like, yo, give me a fucking new laptop. Like, return this and get a whole new laptop. Yeah, I got paid for the warranty. But I'm gonna ask to get a whole new laptop, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. You know how many times this shit's crashed? 16 gigs. Quad core. Well, how many cores would it not crash? I thought quad cores is a lot. Windows i7. Yeah. I'm just gonna return it, bro. I'm gonna just get like a cheaper laptop and just get a tablet. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like a tablet or something, bro. This is a tablet. This is a tablet. It's a Surface. The Surface tablet that goes into a laptop. But I just want to get. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like a cheap tablet, maybe like a cheaper Surface. So I'll probably just do that. Or I might just build a PC. Fuck it, bro. I got the setup. I just need the PC on this shit. I'm good to go.
Hi.
Yo, it was good.
Me too. That's why I grabbed another drink.
I'm gonna. Dude, I don't know. I like Bud over alcohol now so much more.
I used to. I used to be like that. Not anymore.
It's too much liquid.
It is a lot of liquid. A lot of calories.
Makes you piss and shit and stuff. You know.
Yeah,
So
it's not annoying.
it's annoying. But I only like sipping when I go out to the bars and shit. You know, just like be happy, energized, talk to people. You know.
I just honestly, at this point, I like the feeling. I like the feeling of being drunk over the feeling of being high now. I used to be the other way around. I used to like being high more than being drunk, but not anymore. Sobering up sucks.
Bro, being sober sucks.
No, for me it's just like, damn, I wish I was drunk again.
Probably, I think I'll probably. I'm gonna give it up for probably till January. I think January 1st.
What, drinking?
No, Bud.
Bud?
These are the time. Yeah.
Oh, hey. Some guy named David Roman is playing Demon Souls on YouTube. I'm gonna watch him. Yo! No way, bro! Y'all watch Afro Senju on YouTube?
No.
He ain't got no afro no more.
The reason for that is, well, I'm meeting my brother for the first time. Out of curiosity, if you want a video where, I don't know, I do something with my brother on my channel, let me know. And
He has no afro.
There's a game that I really kind of wanted to talk about, which I was going to watch it on my own.
Bruh. He can't call himself Afro Senju no more.
Dog, this game is just amazing. I'm sorry I've been fanboying almost every episode. It be like that for certain games that I just absolutely love, and this is unfortunately one of them. Today we're playing...
He's mad funny.
What's up, guy? Yo, relax. I gotta do the intro. What's good with you, bro? Yo. Right. Bro, it's alright. It's cool, bro.
Hmm?
First of all,
Oh, I don't know. I'll probably be on for a while. What the fuck? Okay.
I don't know how to hold it.
It's like 1:30 in the morning.
When you swing, even when you're swinging regularly, you jump backwards.
Oh, I mean, alright, dude.
Yo, you're good with the COVID and shit now, right? Like you're testing negative and shit. Good shit.
So besides talking about exactly where we left off yesterday from the playthrough aspect of this, there was a
Yo, he deadass cut his afro. What the fuck?
I'm gonna watch it on my own, but I thought I might as well share the experience with y'all. There's 3 specific trailers, the recent one and 2.
You don't even got a heads up though.
So Cyberpunk 2077.
Deadass.
Like multiple hours long. Now,
I don't know, but not a fucking heads up.
oh shoot.
Maybe.
Night City. Holy shit!
Carry Love Night City's ruthless underground social net.
Holy shit!
Carry Love Night City's ruthless
I can hear him on my own fucking stream.
Holy shit!
Carry Love Night City's ruthless
I can hear him on my own fucking stream.
Holy shit!
Carry Love Night City's ruthless
I can hear him on my own fucking stream. It is. It's just repeating itself. It is. It's just repeating itself. Some Inception type shit, dog. Some Inception type shit, dog. Some Inception type shit, dog. Dude, this is ridiculous. Some Inception type shit, dog. Dude, this is ridiculous. Yeah, this is wild, bro. I'm just gonna keep saying shit until I can't understand it anymore. I'm just gonna keep saying shit until I can't understand it anymore. I'm just gonna keep saying shit until I can't understand it anymore. All right, enough of that. Enough of that.
Fuck, man. Holy shit stuff.
Yo, suck a dick, Hummer. Okay, new area. Yo, Ronnie, what are you waiting for to play this game, dude? I don't understand.
Oh, I don't know, bro. Just haven't felt like playing a story mode game. I've been liking all these other games.
Bro, you've been saying that about every fucking game.
Okay.
Ghost of Tsushima. Oh,
Tsushima?
shit.
Yeah. That reminds me. Yo, are they ever gonna remaster that game?
Ghost of Tsushima? I doubt.
For PS5?
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. Oh. Haha. This is what I'm supposed to do. Oh. Okay. Oh. That's why they call it the depraved chasm. Oh shit! I'm under level for this area too, bro. I'm under leveled for all these areas, dog.
No.
I think the only area I'm supposed to be in is the area that I was in before. No! Oh my!
How many paths are there? Is it like Dark Souls 1 where you can go to real life?
It's different from Dark Souls 1 because it's like it's not one large map. You have to teleport to different areas. It's like four or five smaller maps. Instead of one large world.
I really want to start grinding, bro. I really want to play Overwatch, bro. I want to get good at that game, man. But...
Overwatch? I want to play Witcher 3. But I'm waiting because apparently they're remastering it for PS5. I'm waiting for that.
What?
Mm-hmm.
No way.
Mm-hmm. For free. For free.
What?
Mm-hmm.
DLC and everything, dude? That's just wild.
I don't know about
Why would they do it
DLC,
for free?
but...
That makes no sense.
Huh?
Why would they do that?
I don't know.
For free?
But they doing it. Anybody who got a copy PS4 can get a free upgrade to PS5.
Spider-Man made me pay for it.
Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to play Ghost of Tsushima. I haven't played yet on the PS5.
I'm pretty nice with this COD.
What?
I'm pretty nice with this Call of Duty. I like it. Kind of like.
You playing a new Call of Duty?
Cool. Yeah, it reminds me of like combat arms. I don't know.
Are you playing it right now? I'll play with you.
Yeah, come through. Bro.
I bet. I'll come through right now.
Game's almost over. Game's almost over.
Alright, I just hopped on.